04, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, how do you read? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, you're coming in broken, I believe. This is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra. Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, this is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra. How do you read? Station, and congratulations for your victory in the World Cup yesterday. Very little. We have a lot of expensive equipment that we don't want to break, but there are plenty of footballs up here to celebrate World Cup, and we also have some very small tennis rackets that I'm looking forward to trying out. Over. We sleep about the same amount we do on Earth. Over. Still with me? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, you still with me? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, how do you read? Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, how do you read? Okay, I'm switching to back up to see if you're there on channel 41. Okay, going back to prime channel for Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra. Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, how do you read? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, how do you read? Yankee Uniform 1, Alpha Charlie Romeo, how do you read? This is Oscar Romeo 4, India Sierra Sierra, over.